This method can be easily adapted for observing signals from other fluorescent proteins or could be used to image axons in other adult arthropods. The main advantage of this technique facilitates an excellent three-dimensional reconstruction and visualization of the axons and their terminal arbors.
Begin by filling the appropriate number of wells in a glass multi-well plate with 70% ethanol. Use a brush to add 15 to 20 carbon dioxide anesthetized flies of any age or sex to each well, and gently dab the flies into the ethanol until they are fully submerged. After no more than 1 minute, rinse the flies 3 times with 0.3% non-ionic surfactant detergent solution in phosphate buffered saline for at least 10 minutes per wash. After the last wash, use forceps to remove the head and abdomen of each fly without damaging the thoracic segment or the legs, and use the tip of a pair of fine forceps to gently but firmly apply pressure to the coxothorax junction to detach one leg from the thoracic segment. Place the legs in one well of a new multi-well plate containing freshly prepared 4% paraformaldehyde on ice for an overnight incubation at 4 degrees Celsius.
It is important to push the legs gently into the fixation buffer without letting them float to obtain well-fixed legs.
The next day, wash the legs 5 times in fresh 0.3% non-ionic surfactant detergent solution for 20 minutes per wash. After the last wash, replace the detergent with mounting medium and keep the legs in the mounting medium for at least 24 hours.